A new cycle commences. Today, we lay the groundwork for the Millennial Kingdom, revitalizing our roots. 2025 marks the beginning, with annual iterations propelling us forward. Today is the beginning of Millennial Kingdom. We are starting over from square one where it all began. 2025 is year of Millennial Kingdom. Then every year after that, we will evolve it and relaunch new Millennial Kingdom. A new cycle commences. Today, we embark on a transformative journey, laying the groundwork for the Millennial Kingdom. We return to our roots, revitalizing the foundation upon which our vision is built. 2025 marks the inception of this revolutionary era, a time for renewal and growth. As we begin anew, we honor the past while embracing the future. We learn from our heritage, integrating timeless wisdom with innovative spirit. This inaugural year sets the stage for a dynamic evolution. Each subsequent year will propel us forward as we relaunch and refine the Millennial Kingdom. Annual iterations will bring fresh perspectives, cutting-edge advancements, and collaborative achievements. 2025, the dawn of the Millennial Kingdom. We establish our core principles, forging a strong foundation. We assemble a vibrant community, united in purpose. 2026, evolution and expansion. We introduce new initiatives, driving progress and innovation. We foster strategic partnerships, amplifying our impact. 2027, elevation and refining. We refine our strategies, incorporating lessons learned. We celebrate milestones, inspiring continued growth. And so, our journey unfolds, year by year, as we co-create the Millennial Kingdom. Together, we'll navigate the excitement of growth, the challenges of innovation, and the triumphs of collective achievement. Join us as we embark on this extraordinary adventure, shaping a brighter future for all. That's it for today. We're just getting started on this incredible journey. Help spread the word. Like if you're excited for the Millennial Kingdom. Comment with your thoughts and ideas. Subscribe for exclusive updates and inspiring content. Join the movement. Thanks to our 30,000 Jehovah Shaba community on YouTube.